Hey, Shelly.
Yeah.
Luna chewed on the Tesla.
I know.
Remember, there's a bunny in there?
There's a whole series of
The domino
bunny.
effect of that bunny
Yeah.
has been annoying for the past year.
Yes.
But anyways, she's trying to get it out of there while it was chewing on our wiring harness.
Correct.
Check video above. We fixed that. You can check us fixing that wiring harness for the second time.
We'll link it.
Anyways, let's try to make it look a little better. This is not going to be perfect. We are not a body shop, but we found this cheap paint repair pin set on Amazon. SyoAuto.
Okay. Let's
Typical
try
Amazon.
it.
It says fit for Tesla.
Paint fit for Tesla.
To be fair, I looked at reviews of these just on Amazon just to grab something quick, inexpensive, and this one had decent reviews. It's probably not going to be perfect. This is pearl white, but let's see if we can make it look better.
Let's do it.
Okay, check it out. There's 2 pins. Coat 1, coat 2. First coat of white, you put on, let it sit for 15 minutes. Then you put on the pearl white, coat 2. It looks like there's some little paint dabber pins, brushes in there too.
Step 1, you shook it for 30 seconds.
Step 1, we shook it for 30 seconds and we cracked it open and we have white out.
It actually looks like one.
We're gonna use these little I don't want to use this brush because that.
Okay, let me
won't
hold
look
that and you can just dip your little brush into the...
good. Watch, we got this. Bloop. We're just gonna use small amounts.
Okay.
We're gonna use very small amounts. I'm gonna hand that to you, Shelly. Thank you. And then we're just gonna fill. We did not sand these down. This is not a perfect application. This is basically to hide. Actually, just to hide. We're just trying to hide that black plastic that you can see. That brush is the perfect size for her tooth mark. So as you can see, you're still gonna see the gouge in this situation, but at least it'll blend a little better. It's gonna take multiple coats too. We've let this dry. This is the second coat of the coat 1, not the pearl white, just the base white. Okay, it's been like a half hour, right?
Yep.
We let that dry. I didn't do the greatest job. There's a little bit of excess, but I'm gonna throw some polish on that when we're done. But it's time for the pearl white.
Coat 2.
Let's put coat 2 with the pearly white. Again, this is the 6 to 10 foot look is what we're going for. Looks better from 6 to 10 feet away. It's not gonna look great when you're up on it. What do you think, Shelly?
Looks like it's got some white out on it.
I mean, it's is what it is.
I think once it dries,
It'll
it'll look better than it did.
All right, we're gonna let that dry. What do you think?
I think for 12 or whatever dollars, that can't beat it.
For a basic road chip touch-up, this is good enough. You can just respray the whole bumper if you want at some point if it gets really bad, but for interim, touch them up with something like this just to make it look a little bit better. It's not gonna look perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna even say maybe the 20-foot effect. Stand 20 feet away and you're like, oh, I don't really notice it. It looks a little bit better. So
Call it a win for what it is.
there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Later.